go out a different direction. You got the 360 running, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see that. All right. So here we go. Haven't been on this section of road in a while, so I don't know what kind of shape it's in. So I'm not going to be ripping it too much. That was fun. Oh, big hole. These washouts are what kill me. I have a hard time seeing them. Hell, getting old sometimes. I think I'm still going the right way. Slow this dog and pony show down. All right. Tractor pig, tractor pig. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. That was awesome. Decisions. We're gonna go left. Oh, we're looking at small little hill climb here with a blind curve to the left. Tractor on up. Tractor B, tractor B. Yeah, we're almost back in. It's all over the place. Yeah. If I had a more aggressive front tire, I would be doing neutral. All right. to be more aggressive on these roads. The tread pattern on the Moto GPS and the K60 Scout are pretty much identical, and I don't care for the tread pattern. They tend to wash out on loose stuff like this. And I'm actually not wearing my shin guards. You know, I'm telling them myself I shouldn't really do that, but at least I haven't lost my GPS unit yet. More washboard. So I got this new mic set up on the GoPro. I bought another GoPro. It's a Hero 6 Black. So I have a Hero 5 and a Hero 6. There's a little bit of difference, but I've used the 6 enough. So I'm using the 6 as my main vlogging GoPro, which is on what you're looking at it now. And I use my old 5. Like tripod stuff. I stop, I'll take some video, me riding by or something. But you know, just actually being pretty lazy today and don't want to stop. Set up the tripod, get the video, drive by 3 or 4 times. Haven't logged a whole lot of miles lately, but please nobody come up the other side. Alright, B Mountain, straight ahead. Sweet. Alright, peace out everybody.